everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayana Orisha, and on this channel we do like to talk locks, lifestyle, family, and mental health. So if that is something that interests you guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that you are made aware of new posts and videos. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, here are my washing machine in the background. It is loud, y'all. I don't know why. I think my washing machine is about to go out. So it is being a little bit loud, you guys, when I wash clothes and stuff. So hopefully you can't hear it. Anyways, not the point of this particular video. First off, happy Friday, you guys. It is Friday, February the 23rd. Can you believe we're already almost done with the second month in the new year of 2024? Right, okay. Anyways, this is the long-awaited lock update that I have for you guys. I'm going to try to insert some pictures after I just go through my hair, let you guys see it now so you can see where I started from and see where I'm at currently. I feel like my hair has grown a lot. It has grown a lot, and I am so satisfied with the results that I'm seeing with my locks this time around. So I'm very excited about that. I am currently, let me look at my little countdown thing. Hold on. Where did I put my little countdown thing, y'all? Y'all, I can't even find my little count. Oh, here we are. So I am currently 2 years and 5 months locked. And with my undercut, I am approaching my 1 year with my undercut locks. I'm at 10 months and 2 weeks with those. And if you guys don't know, this particular lock journey, this time I did start with comb coils. And I will insert a picture of that shortly after I show you guys what my hair looks like right now. I did, like I said, I did start off with comb coils. But as they started to bud and stuff, I went from retwisting to interlocking. And I have been going back and forth between interlocking and palm rolling. For the past 3 or 4 months, I have been just palm rolling. But I actually did just interlock my hair maybe like a week ago, you guys. So it just depends on the style that I'm looking for. Normally I just palm roll because it's easier, it's less time consuming. But when I want my hair to look good for a period of time, when I know that I'm not going to be wanting to fool with my hair, which has been as of recently, I have not been wanting to do my hair. I have interlocked, so I did interlock this recently. But anyways, can we get into the length? I'm just going to give you guys a 360 right quick. Yeah, so like I said, you guys, the hair is hairing, the locks are locking, okay, and the length is lengthening, y'all. Okay, so yeah, like my hair is doing pretty good. If you guys are new to the channel, I had my youngest daughter 3 years ago, and I experienced postpartum shedding, hair shedding again, like I did with my first daughter. But this particular time, instead of it just being all over my head, it was literally just on my edges. So I have been growing them back, and I think they're coming back in nicely. I've gotten this area back in good, so now my main focus is these little side pieces here, and they're growing. I haven't made them into a lock yet because they are still fairly new. And I want to wait till some more hair gets there before I try to make a lock. But once I do, like once the hair grows into a good amount, and I decide to make a lock there, I will make a video concerning that. Let me show you guys what I've been using on my edges. So I use this on my hair too, like all over my hair, but specifically for my edges, I have been using the black castor oil. This one, oh, hold on. Maybe I need to pick up my flash. Hold on. Okay, that one. And I have been using, well, I found it on TikTok. You know, everything on TikTok goes viral at some point. So this was something that was going viral at the time, and people were using it for like their gut health and stuff like that. I started using it for my gut health, but then I just switched over to using it for my edges, and I actually been using it on my undercut as well. And I feel like my undercut has grown significantly. Am I 100% locked? I still don't think I am. Like I think some of my ends are sealing, like they're starting to seal, but then I have some that are like this that still literally has my curl pattern and everything, as you can see. But then I have others that are kind of like this one, kind of like this one, that are starting to round at the bottom and do what it does. Other than that, my hair has been doing good. I will say this particular year, I have been experiencing a lot of dryness with my hair. But again, like I said, that could have been because, you know, I have been going through a lot of stuff lately. And so I just kind of been forgetting about me and taking care of myself. And I'm getting back into the habit of that. So I'm trying to get my hair back into a routine of me actually doing my hair, caring for my hair and stuff like that. Praise be to Jesus that my hair did not break off during this time that I have been neglecting myself. So yeah, like I said, my hair is finally starting to get to a good length. It's at shoulder length now, basically. The front part of my hair is still going to take the longest to get to that point because, like I said before, my hair does grow into layers, but that is okay. I do like that I am touching my neck. I have gotten to the point now where my hair be sitting on my neck, and then I feel like something crawling me, and I have to, you know, whatever. Like I said, my undercut is growing in good. We are 10 months in with my undercut, and I'm going to show you guys that right quick. And remember, with my undercut, I did start those with braids, and I did end up doing like a little bit of needlework with the little crochet hooks, just to get them to stay in, because when I started them, it was so short. So this is what the undercut is looking like. And yeah, I think they are growing in very nicely. I do like the way the undercut is going in now. Originally, I was just palm rolling my undercut, but this was one of the big reasons why I did go ahead and interlock my hair this time around, was because of the undercut. It was just harder. Like once I did my retwist and I let a style stay in for like 3 to 4 weeks, whenever I washed it, the undercut, it was just too untamely for me. And I don't know, I just felt like it was taking too long. So once I interlocked it this time around, I could definitely see that they are actually locking. In certain places they are budding. My undercut is nowhere near locked, you guys, let me tell you that. I wouldn't even say, I would probably say it's maybe like 25% locked, my undercut is. So yeah, I think maybe with this me interlocking this time around, that is going to help me mesh it together more better, and I'll be able to wash my hair more often and not feel like I'm going to be looking crazy afterwards, because I have interlocked my hair this time around. So, you know, I'll be able to do my weekly washes or every other week wash. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is my update. I am going to insert a couple of pictures showing you guys where I started from and where I am currently. And we do thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.